What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be going over Bitcoin and how we were looking to short, not looking to, but we actually did short this high right here, and we were also looking for it as well. If we go over to the Neo's idea section over on Bitcoin, we're basically saying this right here and then this right here. So this is the original idea, as you guys can see here. We're talking about this being a potential short opportunity, and then if we speed forward, and then also too, we were also talking about this being a potential long opportunity right here. And so let's just go over both of those really quickly. So what ended up happening is that for the long opportunity, you were able to get yourself into a very sexy trade right here, netting yourself about 5-6% on that trade. And then from that point forward, we ended up moving ourselves towards this short opportunity right here. And so if we bring up this short opportunity right here, that's exactly what we're talking about. I actually did get a chance to short that high, and yeah, eventually it turned into this right here. So you get about like 7% so far, or 6% depending upon where your entry is. So congratulations to all those people who were following along with that. And so let's just go over kind of what's been happening recently. And so here you can see that we did get into this long position down here, and we ended up closing out of this position and then flipping ourselves into a short. So we went from 34,300 all the way up to 35,400 with the long position. And then as time went on, we came out here. I said this is the worst entry ever, but let's pray to the gods. So that was getting in here for the long position, trading it all the way up to here, taking profit, then getting myself into a short all the way up here. And the reason why we did that, we got into that short. Well, the reason why we got into that long is because we had this little bit of a swing failure pattern. If you guys don't know what that is, swing failure pattern, I do have this course that I am selling. So just join my Discord if you want to know more about that really quickly. If you go down below the video, you will see the Discord right here. Then you could sign up to my bybit information. Using my bybit information, here's some questions. Here's the Trading for Beginners free playlist, and here's my altcoin channel. But when you sign up to bybit, that's where we're trading everything. You get access to these Neo idea section where you can be making some pretty serious gains. None of it's financial advice though. And so there's that. And yeah, so the swing failure pattern is right here. So we were talking about swing failure patterns, RSI trend lines, all that fun stuff, support and resistances, everything that you need to know in order to trade like a god. So we came down here, I got in basically at the exact low, traded this up, then I got into this short right here, which if we take a look at the right here, boom, almost got stopped out. You can see here, so my first take profit was about 1% away. Unfortunately, we dropped a hell of a lot more than that, and we ended up dropping, yeah, about 6-7%. And so then we came down here. I set my second take profit right here, completely closed out of the trade right there. You know, I'm kicking myself a little bit for not holding it any longer, but hey, it is what it is. We did have this little bit of a swing failure pattern, but it was too late for me to trade it. And then, yes, we're waking up to this right now where everybody in here right now is live trading. Max is live trading. Ocean is live trading. Fax is live trading. And you can see here Max is saying this, hell yeah, me too. You know, he's out here trading as well. And we have this person here. Second trade, honestly, ever. Yeah, first trade ever. So congratulations to you. And then you can see Max is also posting up a lot of his trades here. So that's kind of going over how and why we were taking some of these trades. I know that Max just traded this swing failure pattern right here, and we have the possibility of a short opportunity coming up here in the near future. So let me just go ahead and disconnect from this madness, see if that doesn't affect anything. But yeah, so currently right now, what are we looking for as far as the price action goes? Well, we have a couple of options. One would be price does come down below this 32,600-ish area. And then we also have two opportunities of what could happen coming above 34,500, or the next one would be 3,600. And so as you guys can see here, you can't just take each and every single one of these swing failure patterns and think that it's actually going to end up working itself out, because here it's like if you come up, you're looking for it to possibly come back down, but it doesn't. Here it comes up, you're looking for it to swing failure and come back down, but it doesn't. It still comes up all the way to here. It doesn't really swing failure anything, and then comes back down. I mean, if you get on the 1 minute, it does. So here, you just have to make sure that you're paying attention, because here we come down, take out this low, come back up slightly, then drop again. Don't take out this low right here, which is what we're kind of looking for, but then we just end up popping up right here for like 3 or 4%, and ends up looking like it's pretty crazy. So all right, we're taking the highs here. Might even actually have a live trading moment possibly. Let's see if we can get that going. Maybe not. So yeah, that's what we're seeing right now. And then, like I said, if you guys want to stay up to date with how we're trading, the best thing to do is just to make sure that you are joining the Discord and joining us live if you can, being a part of that, so you can see how we are trading some of these things live. We also post up our losses. I post up my losses that I get, but I also post up my wins that I get. So we're just keeping it very real. You know, this isn't hiding behind anything, saying that I'm the best trader in the world or anything like that. So make sure you guys are joining and having some fun with that. What else is there to talk about? Yes, so like I said, I'm literally just playing this level to level. If you want bigger levels to look at, if you want to know what I'm thinking in the moment, that's when you have to join the Discord. And if you want to know what the bigger levels are that I'm looking at, that are netting these 6%, 7%, 5%, 10% trades and stuff, you have to sign up to Bybit using my information down below. It costs you nothing. You don't owe me anything. If you already have an account, that's fine. You can make another one, but just join the Discord, message me about that. Join the Bybit, follow my altcoin channel. If you have any questions, you click this, it'll take you to the questions for that, and you can sign up and get access to all this stuff. And yeah, so like I said, I'm actually in a live trade right now. I'm actually in a short position. I just got into one, and so I've got to go manage that while I can. But let's yeah, I guess I could just leave it there. And you guys know the levels that I'm looking at for the over the course of the day. And also too, I just wanted to make sure that you guys see this here as well. And we go over pitchforks in this video right around here in this series right here. And so if you look at this pitchfork, look at this. So look at this here. So look at the progression of this pitchfork right here. So if we go here, if we go to the Bitcoin charts, you'll see that we have pitchfork number 1, the idea, the possible rejection, and then the aftermath. So we have this pitchfork, which is one that I just showed. We pulled it right here. Boom, we're looking forward to hit this red spot right here. This is how it's ending up playing out. We got that rejection coming in, and then this is what ended up happening. So we got this rejection from the midpoint of the pitchfork, came all the way down to the bottom of the pitchfork, and then now obviously the current price action is we swing failure, and now we're headed back up. So this is the way it's playing out right now, and it's possible that we do come up and hit the 618 of this pitchfork right here. So things are looking pretty good so far, and really big shout out to all the people who have been trading so far and posting up their ideas in the traders and charters section over here. We have Ocean, who again is in here right now, posting up her stuff. Steve-O posting up Max's and stuff like that. So yeah. So I gave you guys some ideas of the levels that I'm looking at, why we traded what we're trading, some of the trades that we actually actively got into, why we took those trades. Again, the long from here, the short from here. I know Max is in a long from here right now as well. So, you know, overall, really good trading on everybody's part here. So that's it. Peace.